Hello guys, welcome to my new another video. Today's video contains top 5 dish drying rack that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Umbra Sink-In Multi-Use Dish Rack by Umbra is a sturdy and versatile kitchen accessory designed to streamline your dish drying and organization process. Crafted from durable metal, this dish rack is built to last and can withstand daily use with ease. With product dimensions of 14D into 5W into 11H, the Umbra Sink-In Dish Rack offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. The compact design ensures it fits seamlessly on your countertop without taking up too much space. The multicolor finish adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The countertop mount design makes it easy to set up and use, perfect for any kitchen layout. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, this dish rack is lightweight yet sturdy, making it convenient to move.
Number 4. I recently had the opportunity to try out the simple Houseware large oversint countertop dish drainer drying rack, and I must say, I was thoroughly impressed. This product is made of high-quality steel, ensuring its durability and longevity. The dimensions of 11.38 inches in diameter, 20.5 inches in width, and 4 inches in height make it a perfect fit for most kitchen sinks. The brand, Simple Houseware, is known for its well-crafted products, and this dish drainer is no exception. The sleek chrome color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. What I especially appreciate about this product is its versatility. Not only does it serve as a dish drainer, but it also doubles as an efficient utensil holder. The mounting type of this drainer is over the sink, which is a space-saving feature that I find very practical. Despite its sturdy construction weighing only 0.86 kilograms, it is surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around if needed. This dish drainer is a perfect.
Number 3. The Seabert 2-tier dish drying rack by Seabert stands out with its innovative design and practical features. With product dimensions measuring 19.1 inches in depth, 16.74 inches in width, and 14.4 inches in height, this dish drying rack offers ample space for drying dishes efficiently. Crafted in a sleek black color, the Seabert 2-tier dish drying rack complements various kitchen decors while also providing versatility in its uses. Recommended for dish draining, kitchen storage, and utensil holder purposes, this rack proves to be a versatile addition to any kitchen space. The countertop mounting type ensures easy access and convenience for users. What sets this dish drying rack apart is its detachable 2-tier design, enhancing flexibility in usage and storage. The space-saving feature is ideal for compact kitchens, allowing for efficient organization without taking up excess space. Moreover, the automatic drainage system incorporated in this rack simplifies the drying process.
Number 2. The Quizen Art Stainless Steel Dish Drying rack is a sophisticated and functional addition to any kitchen space. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this dish drying rack offers a sleek design that complements various kitchen decors. With product dimensions of 6D into 12, W into 14.4. H, it provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware efficiently. The Quizen Art brand is known for its quality and reliability in kitchen products, and this dish drying rack is no exception. The silver color enhances the overall aesthetics of the kitchen while adding a touch of elegance. Its recommended use in the kitchen makes it a practical and essential tool for keeping your kitchen organized. The countertop mounting type makes it easy to place this dish drying rack wherever it's most convenient for you. Weighing 4.28 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdy construction and ease of relocation. The special removable feature adds convenience by allowing for effortless cleaning.
Number 1. The Umbra Udry Rack and Microfiber Dish Drying mat is a versatile and practical kitchen accessory that brings convenience and efficiency to your daily dishwashing routine. Crafted with high-quality microfiber material, this dish drying mat is designed to absorb water quickly, allowing your dishes to dry faster while preventing water from pooling on your countertop. With dimensions of 13L into 20W, this dish drying mat provides ample space for drying plates, glasses, cutlery, and more, making it suitable for everyday use. The charcoal color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, blending seamlessly with various interior styles. One of the key features of the Umbra Udry rack is its space-saving design. Thanks to its lightweight construction, this drying mat can be easily folded up for compact storage when not in use, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. The Umbra brand is known for its innovative and functional home products, and the UDRY rack lives up